In an emergency room, there is no pause button, and decisions happen in seconds, often with incomplete information, and the margin for error is almost zero. Now imagine this. Right next to a doctor, there is a system processing symptoms, scanning patterns, and suggesting what could be done wrong. Not hours later, not after reports, but instantly. Because that case is no longer hypothetical. It is already being tested. Welcome to Perspectives. Today we are looking at how AI is stepping into one of the most high-stakes environment, possibly the emergency room. A recent study from Harvard Medical School tested how AI systems perform in simulated emergency scenarios. Well, the idea was simple. Can AI assist in early diagnosis when time is limited and data is incomplete? The results are difficult to ignore, viewers. In early stage evaluations, AI systems identified the correct or near correct diagnosis in about 67% of cases. As more patient data was introduced, the AI's accuracy improved further, crossing 80% in later stages. Now, this becomes even more significant in a broader context. A study published in BMG Quality and Safety suggests that diagnostic errors contribute to nearly 10% of patient deaths globally. As one of the Harvard researchers noted during the trial, the aim is not to replace clinicians, but to support decision-making in moments of high uncertainty. Which raises a bigger question here. If machines can match or even outperform human judgment in critical moments, what exactly changes and what's at play? Doctors rely on training, experience, and pattern recognition built over years. AI does something similar, but across massive datasets in real time. It can scan symptoms, compare millions of past cases, and identify patterns that are not immediately visible. This becomes even more relevant when you consider how fast medical knowledge is expanding. A Deloitte report on the future of healthcare notes that patient trust and human interaction remain central to treatment outcomes even as AI adoption increases. In fact, experts are already describing the future as a three-part system: the doctor, the patient, and the AI working together. As one emergency care specialist involved in AI-assisted trials put it, AI can suggest what might be wrong, but the doctor decides what it means for the patient. Now, even as a collaborator, this changes the equation. AI can reduce diagnostic errors, support doctors in high-pressure situations, and act as a constant second opinion, especially in early triage where the risk of getting it wrong is the highest. But with this shift, viewers, comes a new kind of complexity. Because accuracy alone is not enough, right? Accountability matters. And if AI suggests a diagnosis and it turns out to be wrong, who is going to take this responsibility? And then there is the human gap. AI can process data, but it does not read a room. It does not understand emotion, hesitation, or the nuance of a patient trying to explain what they feel. This clearly means that the system is powerful, but not complete. The bottom line here is that in an emergency, speed sure does save lives. But now, intelligence might too. AI is not replacing doctors, but it is changing how decisions happen. And in that future, the most critical decisions may come from a man or a machine. Keep watching the mainstream for more news and updates. This is Arushi Mishra.